Hi everybody, Jiggy Time Gal. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a duct tape core bracelet. You're going to need a core of duct tape, which is the roll after it's been spent with duct tape, and you just got the core left. And you're going to need to cut it in half and round the edges so that it's not square. You need to round the edges of them. So that's what you're going to need. You're going to need hook and loop fasteners or Velcro dots. You're going to need duct tapes of your choice. We're going to make two since you can get two of them out of one duct roll tape. You're going to need some scissors too. Alright, let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is get your roll ready and round the edges. Then you're going to pick the duct tape of your choice. We're going to go with this puppy potpourri. You're going to get you off a strip of duct tape. Cut you off a strip. You're going to want to line it up, half on and half off of your roll. And let it hang over the edges. And you're going to want to take another strip of duct tape. Okay, we got one of the lines up. And you're going to want to cut around a little bit. You're going to want to put another strip of duct tape middle, back. So the back is covered. Then what you're going to want to do is put little slits around the edge here. Then you're going to want to fold in these little slits. So you have something that looks like this. Then you're going to take another color or the same color, doesn't matter. Use this brown. And cut you off a strip. And fold it in half. Get you another little strip of this pulpery. You're going to attach it to the underside, like so. And you're going to measure it around the wrist. Whoops, we need to cut off this extra little piece, the sticky part, if you have it. And we'll cut it off. You need to measure it around the wrist of the person that's going to be wearing it. Cut it off. I made it too loose or too short. Take your hook loop nest fastener, fasten it to the inside, no, to the outside. Fasten it. There you go. Very fashionable cord bracelet. Let's do the other one. Take your duct tape. There you go. Stylish bracelets. Stylish bracelets that you can wear. That was the tutorial for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make you some little bracelets today for a loved one, a child. Make some and put them in kitty bags for parties, for kids' birthday parties, or put the stuff out and let the kids make them for their birthday parties or whatever, sleepovers, whatever. It'd be great for them. And it's all it requires is some duct tape, a roll of duct tape that's used, a cord, some duct tape, a pair of scissors. You can make them. Thank you very much. That was the tutorial for today. Everybody have a great time. Thank you. Catch you on the flip side. And hey, while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Leave a link or leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know if I'm doing all right. And let me know what you're up to lately. Click the like button. Clicking the like button really helps my channel grow and supports me. Share the video on other social media outlets, and click the notification bell and click all so you know when I have a new video that's uploaded or when I go live. That really helps my channel as well. So supporting me is a really big deal for me. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it helps me to grow and reach more people on YouTube and allows me to grow my audience. So if you would like to support me, that's the best way you can, by clicking the like button, subscribing, clicking the notification bells, and sharing my content on other social media outlets. That's the best way you can support me at this time. So I would really appreciate it if you take a time to do that, and thank you very much. And with all that being said, y'all have a wonderful night, and we'll catch you on the flip side.